the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the Cricket Icon 2. So this is the new budget phone for Cricket Wireless. So this is the second generation of the Cricket Icon series of phones here. So yeah, so it's available now for $89.99. So this is a budget phone. So you keep that in mind, alright? So it's $89.99 so for $90 it is what it is here. So that's what the phone looks like. I think it has Android Go on it, so yeah. It's available in maroon blue there, which I'm not a fan of the blue color, but that's just my opinion. So let's go ahead and check out the phone here. So you guys have the front facing camera right there, earpiece, your screen there, which is an 18:9 screen right there. Power and your volume keys will be on the other side of the phone there. What's this? The left side. I don't think the left side has anything wrong with it. It's on because it is hard to tell. On the back of the Cricket Icon 2, you do have a camera flash, Cricket logo in your speaker, and it's available in blue here, but it does not look blue on the screen. It looks black on the screen here. That's just what I'm saying, but it's available in marine blue, but it looks black on the screen here. So pretty interesting. So it says here, the Cricket Icon 2 comes similar sized with a vivid 6-inch HD Plus display, engineered with rounded dragon tail glass, allowing for a smooth and seamless display without skimping on durability and scratch resistance. Capture life's important moments with the 5-megapixel rear-facing camera with LED flash and a 5-megapixel front-facing camera with a screen flash to capture perfect selfies in the light. Take your entertainment experience to the next level with confidence, knowing the Cricket Icon 2 is backed by the Cricket Worry-Free 2. It says, take your entertainment to the next level with confidence, knowing the Cricket Icon 2 is backed by the Cricket Worry-Free warranty, 2 years, all small. So this phone comes with the 2-year warranty, so that's pretty cool. Specs on this Cricket Icon 2 is 6-inch HD Plus display with dragon tail glass, 5-megapixel front and rear cameras with LED flash in the back, 3400 mAh battery to keep you going for every 4 days on a single charge. Up to 600 GB of internal storage with support for up to 64 GB micro SD card. Backed by the Cricket Worry-Free warranty, 2 years, all small, right? So the specs are not great. This has Android Go on it. I think it has Android 10 on it. So yeah. So see the big picture. The Cricket Icon 2 offers an ultra-large display, which means more viewing and more scrolling. Videos come to life on its 6-inch HD Plus display, while the slim design with 18:9 aspect ratio offers comfortable one-handed viewing over days with 2.5D rounded dragon tail glass. Gives the display a smooth and seamless feel while still providing scratch protected and durability. Power to keep you going. Spend more time streaming, gaming, texting, and sharing, and less time worrying about battery life. The Cricket Icon 2 keeps you going for over a full day on a single charge. Quality cameras to capture it all. Capture timeless memories using the 5-megapixel rear-facing main camera with LED flash and 4x digital zoom, and take perfect selfies with the 5-megapixel front-facing camera with a screen flash, plus amazing videos in Full HD resolution. So that's it. So it does have Android 10 Go edition, so this is an Android Go smartphone, so they keep it in mind. So that is why the specs are not great, because it is Android Go. So it does have Android 10, so that's nice. Your dimensions on the Cricket Icon 2 is 6.28 inches, 3.2 inches width, and 0.34 inches depth. The phone has 6-inch HD plus display. It's an 18:9 display right there. 16 GB of internal storage with micro SD cards at up to 64 GB. And I think it has 2 GB of RAM, I think. 4G LTE on this one, of course. No 5G, of course. So it's $90, so you do get what you pay for here. Wi-Fi 8, 802.11, BGN 2.4 GHz, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and USB-C charging. Cameras are 5 megapixels with Full HD video, so it's nice. 1.8 GHz quad-core processor, 3400 mAh battery. If you guys want to get accessories for the Cricket Icon 2, they are here. You could try Amazon, see if they have any accessories for the Cricket Icon 2 on Amazon. But yeah, if you guys are looking to get a backup phone or whatever, this phone does look very nice, minus the blue color. It's available for $89.99. So this is about the smartphone. It does have Android 10 Go edition on that, so they keep it in mind. So that's why the specs are not that great. It does have the Cricket 2-year warranty, so that's nice. And like I said, this phone does look very nice as well. Minus the blue color. Different is available in marine blue, but it looks black on the screen here. So yeah. So there you guys have the Cricket Icon 2, now available at Cricket Wireless for $89.99. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.